Got my ID. Ang dami nilang binigay sa akin. Look at that. Isang buong maleta. Nakakatuwa kasi mafe-feel mo talaga yung sense of community among Filipinos here. Kung hindi ako pinalad, then it's fine. Okay, charge to experience. Hi everyone, Yong here. As I've told you in my previous vlog, I will be attempting to change my accommodation from to, well, I still don't know, but I'm targeting 2 buildings. I couldn't select those buildings before because they weren't available. They got freed up. There were some vacancies available much later on, so it was impossible for me to select them in the first place. Tingnan natin kung kaya ko i-move. But again, as I've said, kung hindi man kaya ma-move, that's fine. Maganda rin naman yung place. Now I'm moving. I'm going to my current accommodation first para mag-diskarga ng ilang gamit. I think it's 8:45 a.m. At 12 after lunch, I have to meet Attorney Reg because we have to claim our university IDs. Walking along Charles River. If that isn't Charles River, don't at me. I don't know, someone just told me. I still have to verify. Hey, we're nearly there. So this is my housing compound. It's called... May high-rise, may low-rise. Very accessible, but it's kind of old. So I'm trying to move to somewhere na mas bago. And may aircon. Kasi yung accommodation ko walang aircon. What struck me upon doing my midnight walk last night was the existence of green spaces. Kasi sa atin wala masyado. Well, sa UP Diliman marami. Pero when I was doing my undergrad, hindi ko Manila wala. I wish we had more of those. I don't know if you can still hear me despite the noise that my luggage is making. So, normal lang daw dito yung dumpster diving. So, this is what it's like when you enter my place. Stairs. So, yung isang hindi maganda, well, hindi naman siya hindi maganda, pero wala kasi siyang elevator dahil 3 floors lang siya. So, ngayon, buhat-buhat ko yung maleta ko. That's it. We're here. Ayan, pagpasok mo ng pinto, ang bubungad sa'yo ay yung mga nakuha ko kagabi. So, ito. Ganda, di ba? Malaking lamesa. And then, mas maliit na coffee table. Lamp also. And so, this is the... Hi. This is your toilet and bath. My bathtub. Toilet. Sink. Mirror, which I like because it's huge. And then, storage. More storage. And here it is. It's bare, diba? So, kaya kailangan ko mag-hotel kasi hindi ako makakatulog dito. Walang kama. Thinking that if I keep this unit, this will be my bedroom slash living room. Kita nyo, hindi pa siya carpeted. I mean, yung ibang units kasi carpeted. And then here we have the kitchen. Here I'm thinking is where I'll put the table. We have the fridge. Pag binuksan mo to, merong balcony, which is nice. This is the balcony. Overlooking, I was told that this is the children's playground. So, this is a parang family compound. So, may mga bata na naglalaro dito. I hope they're not noisy. I mean, it's fine, but not too noisy. So, even that building right there is still part of the Peabody compound. May high-rise, may low-rise. So, pinili ko talaga yung low-rise kasi I'm scared of heights. And kapag lumindol, I'm sorry to sound so fatalistic, but concern ko talaga yun. It is nice, diba? But they're just nicer units. And I'll try to get one of them. Kung hindi ako pinalad, then it's fine. Kasi maganda rin naman itong unit na to. Okay, I just got off the phone with the property management office and I was told that unfortunately there are no more vacancies in any of the accommodations that I'm targeting. So that's unfortunate, but again, I'm not complaining. This is my unit. I'm at peace with that. It's nice, it's lovely. I will make it home. Besides, masyado siyang mahal para malungkot. You might be wondering how much it costs to rent this place. So for a month, it's approximately 160,000 pesos. Yeah, no exaggeration, no kidding, ganun siya kamahal. Because it's prime location, it's inside Harvard. Nice place. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung anong nagpabigat sa maleta ko, ito siya. Sinigang sa sampalok mix. I have no regrets because hindi ko alam kung meron ako bibili nito and I love sinigang. I love cooking. Meron pa ako nito. Na-discover namin recently. Kasi walang kalamansi sa... Ano mo kalamansi sa Amerika? I don't know. But just to be safe, kalamansi seasoning mix. So kapag nagstay ka sa university housing, they'll give you this. Yeah. Key fob for the doors, and then the suset for your nail. Gusto ko siyang iuwi pagkatapos ng leasing term kasi napakamahal. Para may pruweba ako na gumastos ako. May remembrance ako sa paggastos ko ng ganun kamahal. Anyway, that's it for my first round of lipat bahay. Nandun na yung mga suit ko. Naglagay na ako ng ibang sapatos doon. Nandun na yung sinigang mix. So, balik na ako sa hotel. Lunchtime, I went to the Japanese place at the ground floor of the hotel. I had no plans of going here, but they gave me a voucher. So, this meal is free. Let's see if it's any good. Wow, thank you.
Enjoy.
So, this is what they served me. That's salmon, scallops, and shrimp. Miso soup. And then this is the salad. And then rice. I'm still panting, but let's do this. All of these, three boxes in one container were given to me by one very generous soul, Mr. Ray Laguda, who graduated from the same program just this year. He's one batch ahead of me here at Harvard. Binigyan niya ako ng beddings. I think this is kitchenware and marami pang iba. This is airbed, which is very helpful kapag meron akong bisita. Thank you so much. She delivered all the way from her house to my place. So, nakakatuwa kasi yung mga Pilipino dito sa Boston, at least yung mga na-meet ko so far, sobrang helpful. They're very generous in their time and effort. So, if you're watching Mr. Ray and his friend, I don't know if she wants to be mentioned, you may rest assured that I will pay it forward. Thank you. Lumabas ulit ako kasi kailangan ko kumuha ng ID, pero ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Got my ID. We're here in Somerville. This is another area of Cambridge. I came here because may magbibigay na naman sa atin ng mga gamit kagaya na rice cooker, plancha, and sayang naman kung hindi natin tanggapin yung offer kasi naman bibili pa, diba? I just have to find where they are. They said they're number 88 and I see 38. So matagal pa. Ay, parang malayo pa pala. Kaya sila. So this is what their is like. Their residential. 88. 88. Okay. Unfortunately, mali yung pinagbabaan sa atin. Well, okay. Ako yung may kasalanan. Mali yung napin ko. Nakakalito kasi. Sabi kasi niya Ames Street. Eh, ayan. Nasa Ames naman ako. Nakikita niyo ba? Pero I think may iba pang Ames. So, yeah. Booked an Uber and I think ito na siya. Ay, hindi pa. Pero may papunta na. Okay. Charge to experience. Mali yung... Mali. Hey, I just got back from Ames Street and nakakatuwa kasi ang dami nilang binigay sa akin. Look at that. Isang buong maleta na punong-puno ng may rice cooker, may hair dryer, supply of tissue, kitchenware. Ito pa, may 3 eco bags. Ito, wala na dahil nalagay ko na sa loob yung laman. Nakakatuwa kasi mafe-feel mo talaga yung sense of community among Filipinos here in the US. Actually, na-feel ko din yan nung when I first went abroad to do my first masters. May sense of community talaga among Filipinos. Ang commitment ko naman is that I will pay it forward sa mga susunod na matatanggap dito sa program or makakapasok sa Harvard, diba? Kasi malaking bagay at to foster that kind of environment. So now, isasalansan ko lang yung mga gamit and then meron akong kapitbahay na nagbebenta ng couch and other items na wala pa dito sa unit. So, pupuntahan ko siya. Okay, I'm back. I know, pawis na ako. Actually, in between takes, nakahubad na ako eh. Pero I just got back from my neighbor's unit. I got this full-length mirror, which she got from IKEA, and also this one, a mat. My neighbor was very sweet. She's a visiting professor from Korea, and then in 2 weeks daw, kaya binibenta niya na lahat ng furniture sa bahay. Because pumunta sila sa Japan. Doon daw siya magtuturo at Meiji University. Gusto mo yung sinabi ko lahat kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay niya. Anyway, I told her I also have family in Japan and she said, okay. But she's really nice and she gave me a good discount, a good deal for these items. I wanted to get more. I wanted to get a couch and a sofa pero sobrang bigat. And as I've mentioned, itong place ko ay maganda pero walang elevator. So, hindi ko siya kaya mag-isa. Disadvantages of being alone. Okay, I'll arrange this first. Tapos, I'll go to my other neighbor's place because he's trying to sell me his bed. So, let's see if I can manage to bring it here. Now let's inflate the airbed. Tapos na ang airbed. After hours of arranging my stuff in this apartment, this is what it looks like now. Yes, boxes over there, kalat-kalat pa. Still got a long way to go, but I'm happy with the progress. At least may nagagawa tayo. Today is July 1 here. Classes will start on July 8. So I still have roughly 6 days to get everything sorted out. I'm excited. It's 10 p.m. here now. It's raining outside actually. Medyo tumitila na siya. I will take that as an opportunity to run to the hotel kasi ayokong gumastos ng Uber. So I think that's it for this video. If you like what you saw, keep on watching. Stay tuned for the next videos if ever I will decide to upload more. Do you want more? I'm not sure. Let me know. See you next time. Bye.